Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use password app in iPhone iOS 18. So as you can see, password app is right here. Okay, so this password app is available in iPhone iOS 18 or later. Okay, so if I click on the passwords app, it will take your Face ID. Now it's going to show all kind of passwords here. Okay, you can see all for codes, then security, then passkeys are here, then Wi-Fi passwords are here, and deleted ones. And you can go and click on the plus sign at the bottom right, screen, and you can go and enter the website name, its username and password, and then click on save at the top of the right screen. Okay, so it will save the password here. Now let me show you how you can get the password here. Okay, suppose if I click on Wi-Fi here, then these are all the Wi-Fi's that I have. Okay, home, air fiber, home 5G, Android. Okay, let me show any one of any one of the passwords for that I'm not using. Okay, so if I click on Android here, and I can see the network name and the password. So if I click here, then it will show the password right here. Okay, so this is how you can actually access your password. So these are all the ones that I'm not using as of now. Okay, and similarly if I click on all, it will show the website names and passwords. So how are you going to use it? So suppose you are trying to log in to gmail.com. okay, so it will give you the field for the entering the email. Okay, as soon as you'll click on the email field, it will show up the option from the bottom of the screen. Okay, so it will be showing you to use the email ID and the password from the this passwords app. Okay, so if you click there, it will automatically fill the field and then you can log in. So this is how you are going to use the passwords app on your iPhone having iOS 18 or later versions. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.